Namaste friends, hello Dosto, welcome to Mudita Naari's colorful channel. Before we begin, I would like to make you aware that I made changes in the presentation format. So from now on, there will be no separate slides for list of items. As I share the process, you will see what has been used, and if you need any info regarding that, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you. So without wasting any valuable time, let's get started. So we had ordered books from Amazon and it was delivered nicely in this package, which I reconstructed and styled it according to my taste. I started off with ungluing this envelope from all three sides. Next step, used a carrier bag, cut the bottom edges of the carrier bag so that it opens up and separates, and same thing with handle, cut the handles off. I've spread the open plastic and then I'm going to place my open envelope on that plastic. This is to protect it from getting wet. After that, fold it to its original shape. So this is how it looks. I'm happy with the way it looks. So I'm going to proceed with glue gun and I'm going to repeat that placing and folding step. So this way, envelope is covered all over in the plastic except the top half inside, as visible in the small screen. 142 cm length, 31 cm width is the rough size of this material that I decided to put in a good use. Place the envelope on the material and leaving breathable margin, I have cut the material. Remember, the width is small, so it's not going to cover the whole envelope. The material has been glued on the bottom half of the envelope and I'm going to do the same thing on the top half, making sure to match the shape of the envelope. All glued and ready for the next step, and that is to hide this with this green ribbon. I think it will look nice here. These ribbons are for 149 and it's from Aldi. All ribbons has been glued on nicely and I just have to think about this opening and closing system, and for that I'm going to use this hook and loop tape or velcro from Poundland. Also friends, this time I've inserted this small window so that you can have a full view of the product. I hope you like it and it's not obstructing your view. Can you please let me know in the comment section that you like it or not? I further styled this document wallet with sequins on its back and front, and this is the final look, my friends. So we have arrived at the end of this video and you know what to do. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, my friends. Till we meet again, you all take care. Bye. Avjo. Bye.